Finished up with my doctor. Interesting conversation. We talked about a lot of things with the Ozempic, and one of the things we talked about was doing intermittent fasting. And there's some side effects to Ozempic, and you really need to be dialed in with your doctor if you're doing this, because we talked about some stuff that could be going on with people when they're on this drug. Now, this drug, he was saying, and I agree with him, should be around for years and years to come, because the effects are just so amazing. You think about heart attacks and things like that. Apparently there's, on some of the experiments they're doing right now, whether it be this, Mounjaro, Wegovy, they're seeing drops of up to 20%, is what I'm hearing when it comes to this stuff. Now, I don't have the scientific studies in front of me, but I'm just telling you what I'm hearing when it comes to this stuff. So some really interesting data coming out when it comes to Ozempic and things like that. So just to give you an update on my situation, I was really rough for about a week. I want to say really rough. And I don't know if it was the Ozempic or stomach flu or what, but I got over it, and now it's like perfect. I mean, I'm not, it's everything is really, really good. My blood sugar readings have been great. So we're going to look at reducing some of my meds. I think I've taken one shot of insulin in the last, where are we at, about 8 days, which is phenomenal for me. And my blood sugar has been about 117 along the way. So a lot of really good stuff going on as far as this goes. And we will be back in a month to check it out and see where I'm at then. Weight loss, I want to accelerate a little bit, but my doctor's telling me you don't want to go too fast, like maybe 2 to 4 pounds a month, and eventually this long game will get you down, because you also have to look at loose skin and stuff like that. So we want to do this the right way, but really good visit as far as Ozempic and what's happening with the Ozempic, and more particular my side effects of the Ozempic. It's starting to really, I think, help me. It's kicking in and really starting to win with this. So let's carry this on, and there will be more as far as this goes.